Yupp is a website that allows you to receive and compare the best responses from multiple different AI platforms. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I'm going to type my usual prompt whenever I'm testing a new model, and I'm just going to say, what is the meaning of life? Now, I typically expect some sort of philosophical or somewhat religious response, or the idea that it's really a personal thing. But yeah, what I noticed is that the better sort of large language models typically will ask follow-up questions and ask the user to be more specific. So that's sort of what I'm looking for here. Okay, so it's actually selecting the best AIs to answer my prompt, which is quite interesting. And as you can see, we've got two top AIs for this prompt. First one is OpenAI's O1 Mini, and the second one is Grok 3 Mini Beta, which is quite interesting. So the question, what is the meaning of life, is one of the most profound and enduring inquiries. Very true. Okay, interesting. So this references The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which is interesting. Philosophical perspectives, religious and spiritual perspectives, scientific. Okay, I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. So okay, interesting. So neither of them have asked any specific follow-up questions, which is what I ideally like to look for. I think ultimately OpenAI's response is pretty good. I would say it covers quite a few bases. Grok 3 Mini is somewhat, I guess, more conversational in the sense that there aren't any sort of like subtitles like on here and stuff like that. So I guess in this case, it sort of depends on which one you're looking for. I mean, I was looking for more of a casual answer. It's not really something I'm going to be writing an essay about. So I think I'll click I prefer this. And let's go with, let's say, on target, and let's send feedback. Cool. Okay. So that's my first Yupp search done. Whenever you give feedback, you get some rewards. So you get rewarded with credits to keep exploring AIs for free, or you can cash out. It's interesting. I wonder what their cash out system is like. Now, I think let's see. I think I need to write something here to maybe let me click fast. I'm wondering why. Okay, I think okay, cool. So now I've done the feedback. You get rewarded with credits. Okay, cool. Let me go back to the home page. I think this isn't the best sort of UI. I'm just gonna go back to the home page and see what we get here. I think there should be a button on here to easily get back to the home page, but let's see what we get here. Okay, cool. So perhaps this is still in beta. Maybe the points are just building up in the back. But in any case, this is definitely an interesting platform to try out. I think they'll probably keep developing more features, probably improve the UI so it's easier to find some things. But yeah, definitely check it out if you think it would be useful. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.